The rumors are flying about the iPhone 17 Air being Apple's thinnest phone ever. But a phone this thin has a huge problem. How do you manage the heat from a powerful processor without the device melting down? Today on Sci&Tech Bites with Hassa, we're revealing the secret technology that could be the key to making it all possible. The biggest challenge for a thin phone is balancing a powerful processor with managing heat and fitting a decent battery. But Apple's answer, according to leaks, is a new innovation from LG Innotek called Copper Post. But how can a tiny piece of copper solve one of the biggest challenges in all of tech? This technology replaces the old-school round solder balls with tiny copper pillars. Think of it as building a stable column instead of a pile of balls. This simple change allows a semiconductor substrate to be 20% smaller. This makes the chip more compact and crucially helps with heat dissipation. It means Apple can use a powerful chip like the A19 Pro without it slowing down due to overheating. This innovation isn't just for the iPhone 17 Air. Apple has already tested it on the iPhone 16, and analysts believe this technology is a huge step towards solving the heat in space challenges for future devices. So what does that mean for the next big thing? It could unlock the future of every foldable phone we use. The iPhone 17 Air isn't just a thinner phone, it's a demonstration of how microengineering can shape the future of the entire smartphone industry. What are your thoughts on a super thin iPhone? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching another episode of Sci&Tech Bites, and we'll see you next time.